Okay, Mr. Jason Williams, this is your transmission, and we got bad news. We got bad news. This planetary gear set is the splines are stripped, as you can see right there. The splines are stripped. This engages on that planetary gear. It's stripped out. You can see the bushings are stuck into the hub. This bearing is completely gone. This hub which is the overdrive clutch hub. This is the underdrive clutch hub, overdrive clutch hub. The overdrive clutch hub is split. It's split in the split open, and this is where it's stripped on the planetary gear itself. And this is the reverse clutch hub, which goes on top right here, and that's the bearing that disappeared. That's the bearing that's gone. The only frictions that you have burn up are the reverse frictions because of all this damage that you have here. Uh, the fourth clutch hub also, the bushings are gone. These are actually your bushings for the fourth clutch hub, as you see here. Those are your bushings, and or well, part of the bushings for the fourth clutch hub, and these right here. So these bushings they go into that hub. So we're gonna need this hub. As you can see, the splines right here are kind of damaged a little bit, not as bad as this one's here. So that planet's no good. We're gonna need these three pieces: underdrive clutch hub, overdrive clutch hub, reverse clutch hub. You have all the bearings. I mean, you gave me all the bearings. We're gonna need the fourth clutch hub. This one right here, I was looking very carefully at this. Uh, the bushing just moved and it spun. I can try another bushing on this thing, but I looked at all the gears and all the teeth, and no metal got caught on anything there. So this might be savable, but if we can get the whole set, it's better just to get the whole set, the whole complete set. And this is the output shaft and the output planet. Nothing happened here. Everything is fine over here, and the sun gear, everything's fine back here. So basically, these they engage here. Now these they engage here, and these in here, and these outer ones they engage into the output ring gear. And yeah, you have a lot of metal in it. I mean, there's tons of metal in this thing. You can see all the rollers from the bearings they went out. This is your Q4 clutch hub, which it seems to be not damaged. It seems to be okay, even though these parts go through there. This actually sits right here. Well, this actually fits right there, but the bearing for this one is not damaged. So all the damage was caused on that drum. So we're good on that. I got your Sonics drum. That's your pump. I did not tear it apart because I mean you got your own pump over here. Uh, the valve body. The valve body is a 7 check ball valve body. So this is your valve body. 7 check ball. So this valve body is correct for your solenoid pack. So remember I was explaining to you the 5 check ball valve body takes a gray connector, and the 7 check ball valve body takes the this connector right here, the white one, and that's a 7 check ball. Here's all of our check balls, and I ID'd the plate. You got to have 2 holes here, 2 holes here, and 2 holes here. The gaskets ripped right there where the check balls go, but those gaskets come in the overhaul kit. So the valve body to the solenoid pack is correct. But my question was, since this is 2015, ask your guy, like I explained to you, I've never uh, mismatched parts. So he's supposed to take a gray connector solenoid pack for the 2015. Just make sure that if he ran it like that before, if there's no issues, we're good to go. We'll run it like that. Here's all your parts down here. That's all your parts from one box. And the pump right here, your pump. That's your new pump. And all the frictions, the Sonex drum, all of your frictions, bushings, input shafts, everything's here. Uh, I was not expecting this, so I mean, I know you took a long trip to this, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm gonna find out tomorrow to see if I can get somebody open up one of our friends that sells hard parts to see. Hopefully, he has one of these units, and he can open up just for us so we can get the parts for your transmission. And if not, I'll talk to you about that. Alrighty, I had your pan in the cooker. You just turned off. I had your pan in there washing with the extension housing. But there you go. I mean, this is it. I already talked to Junior. I sent him some pictures. He sent them to you. And this short video is just so you can actually see, uh, you know, me explaining you what's going on with this. Uh, I mean, but yeah, I mean, this is what it looks like. Alrighty. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Williams.